Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Money Systems. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone worried about their job security in 2025. With job cuts looming across many industries, it's crucial to prepare yourself, and the best way to do that is by starting a side hustle. Not just any side hustle, but the best one to pursue this year to earn some extra cash and build a safety net. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what side hustle to start, how to get going, and how to make it work alongside your main job. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why job cuts are expected to rise in 2025. We're living in a time where automation and artificial intelligence are advancing rapidly. More companies are investing in technology that can do repetitive tasks faster and cheaper than humans. This means jobs in manufacturing, customer service, and even some office roles are at risk. On top of that, the global economy is still dealing with the aftermath of recent crises, like the pandemic and supply chain disruptions. Many companies are tightening their belts to cut costs, and unfortunately, this often means layoffs. The gig economy, which includes freelance work and contract jobs, is booming as people look for flexible ways to earn income. This shift shows that the traditional 9-to-5 job isn't always guaranteed anymore. So, what does this mean for you? It means relying on a single job for all your income is risky. You need to diversify your income streams and create financial stability, and that's where a side hustle comes in. So why exactly should you start a side hustle? First off, it provides extra income. Even a few $100s a month can make a huge difference, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. Secondly, it gives you peace of mind. Knowing you have more than one source of income reduces stress about job security. Plus, a side hustle can help you develop new skills that might benefit your career. For example, if you start freelancing in digital marketing, you'll gain experience that could lead to a better paying job in the future. Finally, side hustles give you flexibility. You can work on your own schedule and scale up as you learn what works best. Examples of popular side hustles in 2025 include freelance writing, online tutoring, creating digital products, or even investing in cryptocurrency. I'll get into the best one for this year in a moment. Before jumping in, it's important to choose a side hustle that fits you. Ask yourself, what are your skills and interests? If you enjoy writing, maybe freelance content creation is right. If you like design, print-on-demand products could work. How much time can you realistically invest? Some side hustles require daily attention, others can be done in a few hours a week. What are the startup costs? Some require little to no investment, while others may need money up front. Do you prefer online or offline work? Online gigs tend to be more flexible and scalable. Is the hustle scalable? Ideally, you want something that can grow over time so it can eventually replace or supplement your main income. Make sure you pick something that excites you and matches your lifestyle. That way, you'll be motivated to stick with it. Alright, here comes the moment you've been waiting for. The best side hustle to pursue in 2025 is affiliate marketing combined with content creation. Why? Low startup costs. You don't need to create your own product. Instead, you promote other people's products and earn commissions. High demand. With more people shopping online, affiliate marketing is booming. Flexibility. You can create content like videos, blogs, or social media posts on your own schedule. Scalability. As your audience grows, so does your potential income. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about: finance, fitness, tech gadgets, or whatever interests you. Create content. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram account where you share helpful tips, reviews, or tutorials related to your niche. Join affiliate programs. Companies like Amazon Associates, Bitvavo, or other platforms offer affiliate programs you can join for free. Add affiliate links. Place affiliate links in your video descriptions, blog posts, or social media bios. Build trust. Always be honest with your audience and recommend products you truly believe in. Tips for success. Be consistent with your content uploads. Engage with your audience, reply to comments and ask questions. Track which affiliate links perform best and focus on those. With time and effort, This side hustle can generate a reliable passive income stream. Balancing a side hustle with your full-time job can be tricky, but it's doable with some planning. 1. Set realistic goals. Maybe start with just a few hours per week. 2. Use tools like calendars or task apps to schedule your work. 3. Avoid burnout by taking breaks and keeping weekends or evenings free. 4. Once your side hustle income grows, consider scaling up gradually or pivoting to focus more on it. Let me share a few real-life success stories. Sarah started a fitness blog and used affiliate marketing to promote workout gear. Within a year, she was earning an extra $500 per month. John created a tech review YouTube channel and joined affiliate programs. His side hustle grew into a full-time income after 18 months. What these stories show is that with persistence and smart strategies, you can make it work too. If you have a side hustle story, please share it in the comments. I'd love to hear. To wrap up, job cuts are real, but you can protect yourself by building multiple income streams. Affiliate marketing combined with content creation is the best side hustle to start in 2025 because it's low cost, flexible, and scalable. So don't wait, start today. If you want more tips on how to grow your side hustle or invest smartly, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.